I didn't sleep anoche. Hi everyone, the word of the day is anoche. Anoche. This means last night. Anoche works with feminine and masculine nouns, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, it doesn't have a plural form. Now, let's see a few examples. Anoche soñé contigo. Anoche soñé contigo. Cuéntame, ¿qué tal te fue anoche? Cuéntame, ¿qué tal te fue anoche? No pude dormir anoche. No pude dormir anoche. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave me more examples down below. I always love to read your comments. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!